This is a single-column vertical lifter, designed for automatic vertical transportation of products, up to 100 kilograms. Before shipment, the equipment is checked against the approved manufacturing drawing. The overall width and roller conveyor width are confirmed. Structural connections are checked according to the design requirements. Critical fastening points are inspected. The slat conveyor is checked for smooth operation. The control cabinet layout is verified before testing. The PLC module is inspected and confirmed. Wiring and terminal connections are checked. Inspection results are recorded before operation testing. The product enters the system automatically and moves onto the lifting platform. After positioning, the platform starts lifting automatically. The lifting process remains stable throughout the travel path. Multiple operating cycles are completed successfully during the acceptance test. Factory acceptance testing has been completed. The equipment is ready for shipment.